Have you ever wanted to learn air but were too busy to explore the internet to find a good introduction? If so, I am offering you such an introduction with this workshop I specifically designed for busy people. Bonjour and welcome, my name is Olivier Simard-Casanova. I am a freelance economist, a statistician and a science communicator. I wrote my first line of air code back in 2014 during my PhD in economics, and I now work with air almost every day. I have experienced myself how hard it can be to dive into air, and it's even harder if you are a busy person. Thanks to the workshop, at the end of the 2-day session, you will be able to work on your data right away. Even better, you will learn multiple tools and workflows so that you will avoid a lot of time-consuming mistakes later in your journey with air. Those mistakes were probably where I lost most of my time while I was learning air by trial and error. The workshop is built upon my experience with air, and it's basically the workshop I wish I had back in 2014 when I started to learn air all by myself. You will definitely not become an air specialist at the end of the workshop, but you really don't need to be an air specialist to work productively with air. The workshop is available online and in person, and it's based on my online course. I cannot wait to have you on board and to share with you my passion for air. See you soon in the workshop.